December is here. A time to breathe, reflect, and embrace the little joys that remind us to slow down. For me, December is about one thing: self-care. Whether it's the calm of my kitchen or the sparkle of the season outside, trust me, I am finding new ways to recharge. It has been an eventful year. "2024 was that year where I felt all the emotions you could think of. This year has been a journey. It's been filled with wins, challenges, and moments that pushed me to grow in ways I never expected. Being a mom of 2 under 2, oh my goodness, I was stretched. But I won so much, and I lost just the same way. But as this year comes to an end, I'm reminded of the importance of rest, slowing down just to appreciate how far I have come. Because in a couple of days, we'll be back to the hustle and bustle of a new year. And you know, January is such a long month. Believe me, sometimes you need to spend money on yourself. Self-care isn't just about spending money, but also sometimes you need to spend money. It can be the little things that make you happy, like a new box of fancy dish or your favorite set of cookware. Trust me, spoil yourself a little. I know they say self-care is not just about money, but if you can afford it, get yourself something that makes you happy. These little rituals feel like a way of saying thank you to myself. It's a reminder that rest is not lazy, it is necessary. Just sitting in my kitchen as I clean, intentionally taking the lights off just so I can reflect. I think about how easy it is to get caught up in the rush of life. For me, my December starts today, in the heart of my kitchen. Cleaning my home and making my space look clean, cozy, and breathable.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing.
Self-care isn't just about staying in, resting, sipping a cup of hot tea. No, Sometimes it's also about stepping out, embracing the world, seeing the beauty of the world.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm.
Trying new meals, window shopping. Yes, not every time we have money to spend. One thing we don't have to pay for is our view. Go around, look at the beautiful things they sell in those shops. Even though you can't afford them, feel your eyes, my friend. It is affordable. Look around. Spend time with people who are smiling, who are happy. Just sit down and enjoy the company of strangers. Walking past and smiling. Trust me, embracing the world and letting yourself be part of its magic is also self-care. This is the other side of self-care. The lights, the music, the energy. It is a reminder that joy exists all around us, if only we let ourselves see it. This December, I'm treating myself. I'm spoiling myself. I am prioritizing myself. It does not have to be extravagant. It could just be as much as sleeping longer than I would usually. Ordering dinner because I cannot be bothered. Or better still, watching a movie with my head down because I deserve it. A small gift, a favorite treat, or even just a feeling of being out and about. It all counts. Self-care is balance. It is knowing when to rest and when to celebrate yourself. December should be that time when you say, I have done enough. I am enough. December is teaching me that balance matters. Rest, joy, stillness, and celebration should go hand in hand. This year wasn't perfect. It wasn't perfect for me at all. But December, I'm not going to worry my little pretty head about anything. I'm going to rest. I'm going to take care of me. I'm going to prioritize me. I'm going to look after me. So tell me, what is your plan for December? How are you going to care for yourself? Let me know. I'd love to hear your story. So here's to December, my friend. A time to rest, reflect, and feel the little magic of you.
I could tell it's time. Sing away on when with the sun sets, I have become alive.